Cardano is most certainly one of those activities that have mind-blowing expected beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer-surveyed scholastic examination. Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital currencies on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano cryptographic money and task are about and inspect our ADA cost figure for the next few years. Kindly remember that, similarly as with some other digital money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost figure. We notice what least cost and most extreme value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This article doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Cardano is the local badge of a proof-of-stake blockchain that goes by a similar name. The Cardano network was established in 2015 by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give trendsetters and visionaries a stage that will assist them with making the world a superior spot. To achieve this, the Cardano group is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for certain shrewd agreement. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a more effective choice to verification of work networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and versatility potential and is additionally quicker, less expensive, and more supportable than POW blockchains. The Cardano environment runs on Ouroboros, the main POS agreement convention that is extraordinarily secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholastic exploration. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer-checked on and moored by an examination-based structure. There are likewise a few financial backers who became frustrated in this coin as they suspect following through on its promises couldn't. Nonetheless, they appear to be a minority, and most hodlers accept that the future cost of ADA will surpass its past ATH, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.33, and ADA is as of now position No. 8 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano is 34,522,140,517 ADA, with a market cap of $11,494,745,527.22. Cardano value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cardano will be 46 cents. The greatest level that the ADA cost can reach is 54 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 47 cents. Likely return for money invested, 66.7% by ADA value figure for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 33 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 30 cents and at 34 cents individually. Expected return on initial capital investment, 6.1% by February 2023. Cardano value figure cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the ADA cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 33 cents, while the most extreme could reach 36 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 34 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 12.1% by ADA value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Cardano in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 35 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 34 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 37 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 15.1% by April 2023. Cardano value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the ADA cost will be exchanged at 36 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 39 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 34 cents in April 2023. ADA value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Cardano costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 38 cents. The most reduced and top ADA rates may be 36 cents and 41 cents. June 2023, Cardano value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ADA cost will be around 39 cents. In June 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 38 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 42 cents in June 2023. ADA value figure for July 2023. Having broke down Cardano costs, digital money specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 44 cents in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 38 cents. For July 2023, the determined normal of Cardano is almost 40 cents. August 2023 Cardano value figure. Around mid-2022, the Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 41 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of 40 cents and 46 cents. ADA value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 42 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 48 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 43 cents. October 2023 Cardano value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of ADA costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 50 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 43 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. ADA value gauge for November 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Cardano toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 45 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 44 cents and at 52 cents individually. December 2023 Cardano value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ADA cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 46 cents, while the greatest could reach 54 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 47 cents. Cardano value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Cardano will be around 67 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 80 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 69 cents in 2023. Cardano value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2024, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 94 cents and $1.19, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 97 cents. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Cardano and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.39, while its most extreme can reach $1.68. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $1.43. Cardano value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ADA costs are normal in 2026, $2.42 and $2.06. By and large, it will be exchanged at $2.11. Cardano value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Cardano. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $3.01. It could drop to at least $2.93, yet it actually could reach $3.59 all through 2027. Cardano value forecast 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Cardano. It is assessed that ADA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $4